Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Mohra and today's session I have prepared on the RTMT tool, and specifically this session is on capturing of the phone informations or the gateway informations, how many gateways or phones are registered in your call manager, right? So basically what happens whenever there is any planned activity in your infrastructure or anywhere, you have to capture some information like how many phones are registered before the activity, or if you are upgrading your phone version, right? So you might need to have the information how many phones are having which specific version on that phone, right? So this session is on that only, uh, so that you can have the information of your phone or gateway or any trunk status before the activity and after the activity, right? And this session is in the session I'm using the tool RTMT, that is real-time monitoring tool, and I hope you know how it works. If no, I have prepared earlier on sessions on that, so you can refer that. So before proceeding further, let me brief you about myself. My name is Rahul Maura, and I'm around having 17 years of experience in voice domain, specifically for the Cisco Voice, and uh, currently uh, I have prepared the sessions to those who are working in an environment where they are managing Cisco Call Manager, whether they are on the L1 level of engineer or L2 or L3. They can refer my videos so that that will be helpful for them to their operation task as well as implementing any things in their environment, right? So let me go to the next slide. So this is the RTM tool. I hope you are aware of that. Let me resize it, right? So uh, so capturing the information of the phones, right? So what you have to do, you have to log in with the credentials or with the IP address of your publishers in the RTMT tool with the right credentials, and you have to go to the voice and videos, and then the device, and there you have to select device search. Under that you have to select phone, right? In case if you are going to capture the phone information, right? Also you can see from here that you can capture the gateway device information. uh, uh, it will capture the MGCP gateways, and if you have H323 gateways in your environment, you can select this one. And the third one is the CTI devices, voicemail devices, media resources, hunt list, and the SIP trunk status. Not the status, the information of those, right? So let's begin with the phone. So you have to click on the phone, and then it will prompt you uh, this uh, window, right? Here you have to select what type of information you are looking for, whether the phones which you have selected are registered state, you want the list of the phones which are not registered or unregistered, partially registered, rejected, or any status, right? So for example, I have selected the registered one, right? And it will ask me to which call manager it is registered. So whether if you have three or four publish or subscriber in your cluster, right? And you want the report on any specific uh, subscriber, so you have to select that from this drop down, right? So uh, so the practical example is like if you have three or four offices in any specific location, right? And there is any specific activity happening or network changes are happening in one of the site where you are having subscriber node, one of the subscriber node in which is then in your cluster. So network team has reported to you that whenever they perform their changes, your subscriber, let's say subscriber 3, will not be reachable from the network side, right? So during that situations, what you have to do, you have to just capture the information. How many phones are registered before the activity, right? You can capture from here, or you can select the unregistered phones, right? And then you have to click on next. So here I have selected subscriber 1, right? And for select the device, the download states, whether the download, means the firmware has any specific version, right? Whether it's downloaded successfully or downloading or failed status. So you can select as any status, right? So this is required whenever you are upgrading your phone firmware, right? So you from here you can verify how many phones are pending to successfully upgrade on your the latest version, right? Click on next. You will see this outcome. Let me make it big. Okay. Oh, sorry for that. So from here you can see that what are the name of the phones, right? These are the soft phone that Cisco Jabber, right? CSF. And status you are seeing that it's unregistered because I have selected the any status, right? So here you are seeing that unregistered phone information, the node uh, in which that is registered, the phone number, whatever the phone number assigned to them, the IP addresses, the description, right? And the phone model. Phone model is like you can see these are the Cisco Jabber phone, and the status like timestamp protocols and the active load, right? Whatever what is the firmware of that Jabber. So it is 14.3, right? And so this way you can capture the phone informations, right? Also here you can select the type of phone. If you have any specific phone type, you can select that also. Okay, so this is a way you can capture the phone information before your activity, and after the activity you can perform the same steps and capture the registered or unregistered phones, right? And the same way you can capture the information of the gateways, like uh, you need to select the on the gateways device registered, or any call manager, means whether it's registered on the subscriber node or subscriber 1, subscriber 2, or subscriber 3. You need to select that, click next, and then it will reflect the gateways which are registered on. These are the gateways, MGCP gateway. These are registered on subscriber 2. These are the MGCP trunks, the name of the trunk, and the timestamp, right? So this way you can capture the information of the phones, gateways, trunk, hunt group, media resources, and this is helpful in case of you need any specific information before any network change or your cluster change activity, right? So it will give you the brief of the information. Otherwise, there is one more more way, like from the call manager, you can capture the information of the phones, right? And I hope you like these sessions. I would like you to subscribe my channel so that I can make few more videos on this and share these videos with your colleagues who are interested to learning the voice infrastructure, specifically for call manager side. Thank you. Have a nice time. Bye bye.